Game art at USW is an opportunity to ultimately be paid to make games. We take on board students from art design backgrounds. We train them in 2D and 3D applications for real-time game production. The principles of the course really are looking at everything from 3D modeling, 2D pre-visualization to lighting and rendering. The course based on what does industry require in 2.5, 3 years time when you graduate. We have within the course simulated live brief to work in a studio to a very short time scale. Those are real key skills that a lot of studios will look for. The element that makes me the most proud is the fact that, you look back after 5 years and you can see students work on the game that you play. It's probably cost $200 million. Students have worked on everything from Forza racing games, Assassin's Creed, to some really big AAA titles. So that's quite impressive. It starts in this room.